Hey everyone, welcome to Boolean Buffet. So today we are going to discuss about a new experimental AI language learning tool which is launched by Google. This is nothing but Google LLL, like little language lessons. So this is an experimental AI language learning tool. Like it's not a full product like Duolingo. I think you must have heard about the Duolingo and Qlingo and all. So this is kind of a app to learn the languages and slang, the whether languages terms like you can choose the languages English or Spanish or Italian or Swedish or whatever you want. You just choose the language once you install the application, and you can drive the application, and on the fly you can learn the languages with the help of some cartoon related videos or some stories. It just running in the app. So this is how it works. So same as the little language lessons, it's a lightweight AI experiment designed to help users learn languages through a real life scenario and interactive AI conversation. So it just runs directly in the browser, so you don't need to install any app and all, and free to use. The most important thing is it's completely free, but it's an experimental stage like a beta version, just focused on the practical communication, not just the theory. So the purpose of the triple L is built to solve a simple problem. How do I, the question is, how do I quickly learn useful language skills for a real situation? So this is the questions, or this is the thing you just it just comes into in your mind each and every time, right? So in that case, this particular tool will help you to learn a language, like teach practical. And the main goal of this tool is teach practical real world language usages, and make learning more interactive and contextual. Use AI to simulate a human like conversation, and experiment with how AI can improve the education. So these are all the stuff it just provide you. The very interesting tool. And there are the core feature is there are these this is the core feature, like tiny listen, slang hang, and word cam. And let's jump into the first tiny lesson. So this is like scenario based learning, like you just provide your input like a situation, like ordering a food or airport checking, or whatever the real life scenario. You just provide it, and the output you just come from this lesson is, for this first feature, it just provide you the vocabulary and useful phrases, and even the grammar tips. Like focus the main focus is learn what you actually need in your real life. Suppose if you go to any airport, or any shops, or any english related stuff thing, you just go here and you just want to communicate with the people, right? In that time, this particular tool will really help you. Okay, let's try one by one. Just click try one, and select language. You can choose any language. Suppose if you are in if you plan to travel any different country. Okay, so this is really very helpful. And I'm just since we are familiar with the English, okay, I'm just choosing a different, okay, Spanish. And ordering, okay, ordering food, okay, and generate. Yes, this will provide you the set of vocabulary, phrases, and tips, everything. Okay, so let's wait and see. Yeah, I think you can hear when I play this button, I believe. Let's wait.
El camarero vería la camarera.
Yeah.
El camarero vería la camarera.
Okay, so this is something like the wait and waitress and menu, restaurant menu. So if you want to check the restaurant's menu, and you're just asking the particular Spanish restaurant, and you just go here and click, like
La carta.
yeah, like you just want to communicate with the different kind of people in a different country, right? So in that case, This is really helpful, and this is something like vocabulary, and it's like desserts and food and bill, and along with suppose if you want to ask any question, I would like to order please, like so.
Quisiera pedir, por favor.
Yeah, so this is how it works, and yeah, I think.
¿Qué me recomienda?
And of course, I just ask you some tips also. Could you bring me the menu, please? And this is
¿Usted
how,
me podría traer la carta, por favor?
yeah, this is how it works. This is really helpful actually. Tips, and you just click here and see more. Yeah, and I think edit. Yes. Oh, you can change this. Yeah, ordering food for like booking cab. Okay, generate, and it just provide you the set of vocabulary phrases and tips based on the requesting input, like the booking cab. So it just provide you some set of things, the taxi and driver. So I need a taxi.
Necesito un taxi.
Yeah, this is really helpful actually. And what is this? Yeah, and when you click the refresh, it just provide you some different set of libraries and all. This is pretty good need to learn different languages without spending much time or without wasting your money. This particular tool really helpful. Okay, just close it and go there, and let's suppose if you want to travel to China, then booking cab, then how it works, let's say. I think it's completely different, I believe. Yeah, so this is very helpful actually. The AI provides some feedback on pronunciations, everything. Okay, just retry. Let's see. And the personalized learning, like adjust the difficulties based on your level, and it just tracks the progresses and learning partners. Okay, I don't know why it's not. Oh, I think some section is not showing, but phrases. Okay, I want to go to the airport. Yeah.
我要去机场。
Yeah, this is pretty neat actually. Please help me call a car.
请帮我叫一辆车。
So yeah, in your life, I think you can go to some different countries, right? So in that case, of course, there is some Google translations or another different tool is completely available, and but this is completely free actually. This is the most important thing in Google Lab. So next feature is Slang Hang. So this is something like that generates dialogues between the native speakers. Like it just provides some idioms and then how to pronounce the slangs. So in the different languages, like when you choose, let's try French. Okay, generate. Let's try. So it includes slangs, idioms, and informal expressions. Helps you sound natural, not robotic. Like what you try to communicate with a native speaker with that particular language. This particular tool will really help you to how to pronounce it. Like so this idiomatic expressions literally translate to find your happiness, but in the context it means to find what you are looking for, to find something suitable, satisfying, and just.
Bonjour Marc, tout va bien? Vous trouvez votre bonheur? Ou je peux vous donner un coup de main?
Space. Okay, this is something like the conversation between you and like two different people. So it just communicate with the conversation between the two different people, and this is how like you just uh, listen what they are trying to speak, similar like the native speaker, and how they are slanging each and every word and phrases and idioms and so on. You just listen everything and you just practice it, and this is really helpful for anyone. So when you press tab and click, it just provides some beautiful conversation. Okay, so when you click refresh, then again it just starts with a new different kind of conversation. Okay, this is how the Slang Hang feature, and Word Cam, which is nothing but like you can suppose if you want to if you are in a different country, okay, in your mobile or any if you are in you have some paper in your hand with the different languages like Chinese or Portuguese or Vietnamese or Italian or Swedish or whatever. Suppose you don't you are really struggle to read something, right? You are really struggle to read or something this kind of different languages, because we are familiar with the common languages English and your mother tongue, but in this particular languages we really struggle to learn or read something. In that case, you just take a snapshot or just take a mobile or get your paper and when you focus or show it to the camera, when you click this particular feature, it just read everything. It just read everything and it describe you letter by letter and sentence by sentence everything. It's pretty neat actually. So like just take a photo like a menu or sign or object, and this particular AI tool identify the object and gives a translations plus context, like combining the AI plus Google Lens in both in one tool, one feature. This is nothing but the word cam, okay, for the language learning. Okay, so this is how it works. Like when you click and suppose if you want to translate related Chinese, it just asks you to open the camera and just show it to the paper or the text or the thing, everything what you have in your hand. You just show it, and this particular tool just describe everything, just understand everything, identify the objects and identify the text, everything just gives the translation and the context. This is how it works. So this is the three different features available in the little language lessons, and this is pretty good and very practical learning, like focused on the real life situations and interactive and engaging, like the conversations and scenarios, and AI powered personalizations and free and easy access and innovative learning approach, so based on the WordCamp. So this is a three different features really available and really very, very helpful for the people who really interest to learn different languages. This is pretty much a good tool and still in experimental stage, and once it's done, they I think it's pretty will be familiar, because it's a tough competitor for the other applications in the industry. And this is how I want to bring it to you everyone. So the Google Labs, like the triple L little language lessons, when you have a time, just explore it, and this is pretty neat. And let's meet in a different AI in my next video. Thank you.